anybody who's like an MSO who like really has a
perfect.
Bag secured.
We just got Chick-fil-A. We gotta talk about this. What the hell? Man, what is happening? I log on to Twitter, I see raw papers, I see lawsuits, I see lies. What is going on? Let's dive into this. We're gonna talk about this lawsuit from Republic Brands against the raw rolling empire. It's insane. A lot of crazy stuff in here. Let's read through it together. There's like a whole announcement about it. Yeah, let's see so we can figure out what the heck's going on, man. Pretty crazy to even think about some of the stuff that was said. Let's check it out.
Okay, so this is the official PR Newswire publication that just went out yesterday. It looks like it went out 9 Eastern time, February 9th. Today's February 10th, 2023. Republic Brands, that is the owners of paper company you'll be familiar with, OCB. So Republic Brands, that's OCB. They obtained an injunction. Federal court orders HBI International to change its raw organic hemp rolling, packaging, and promotion. HBI International, that's the parent company for raw. Yeah, let's see what the courts found, what OCB and Republic Brands are saying that raw is doing. Actually, what the jury is saying. Man, jury finds HBI, again, that's raw, engaged in unfair competition and violated the Illinois Uniform Deceptive Trade Practices Act through its rolling paper packaging and promotional activities. Holy shit. That is a mouthful, but this next one is nuts, man. Federal court orders HBI to cease promoting, selling, distributing, shipping, and delivering certain products that are sold in the packaging. So some of the packaging had some things on there that maybe weren't, 100% true, or something that was misleading was on there, because anything that is, has this Alcoy Spain stamp, they've got to get rid of it. They can't sell them anymore. So like, even if you pull up their website right now, it's down. Like their website is it's down. It's under construction right now. This is huge. This is massive stuff right here. Federal court orders them to stop. Yo, you can't sell this anymore. You stop it now. Illegal. HBI ordered to cease making claims that it contributes its funds or sales proceeding to a non-existent charitable foundation referred to as the Raw Foundation. This is where it gets a little weird, right? This is where I'm confused, because Raw does, or it has seemed like they've done a ton of charity stuff. I see them, like they're building wells and things like that. So this one I'm confused about. I would love to hear from like the Raw team, the CEO, the owner, all that stuff, and just what is going on? Because this confuses me. This really confuses me. It's just like, was there no charity? Was it all a facade? Were those wells not real? Like what's going on here? So that's this one. I'm just like, I need answers. I need to hear from the other side. We need an interview. We need something. We need some info. Let's keep going through this, man. Republic Brands, leading distributor of rolling papers, tertiary, they can a permanent injunction. Wow. So this is not an allegation, or this is it. Whoa. So they've had to have been in court for a little bit, then going back and forth on this, I would assume. On January 31st, the United States District Court for the Northern District of Atlanta permanently injured APA may concern about its product and immediately cease manufacturing. Wow. This is the crazy thing though, too. This is a massive part, because Raw doesn't just own raw papers. They own Raw, Elements, Juicy J's, and then whatever Payday and Sky, I don't know what those are, but Juicy J's and Elements and Raw, all of those. GG's, bro. Wrap it up. It's pretty nuts. Operates, contributed funds. See, look, this charity thing again. December 6th, they ruled the court found there's no such foundation even existed. This is what this whole thing blows my mind, dude. Like it's not. They had to have done the charity. I've seen like the videos of them going and building like the wells. My brain, dude. My brain. More than a decade has marked this papers having been made by artisanal craftsmen in Spain. Alcoy is the birthplace of rolling papers. HBI claimed that its raw papers receive the Spanish Alcoy paper blessing, and it has the stamp on some of its product. However, January 19th, the court found that HBI makes no rolling papers in Alcoy, Spain whatsoever. Whoa. Now, was that just a bold-faced lie that they said that they're making their products in Spain and it's just nothing? They have no... Man, this whole thing is just like so confusing and out of left field. Shocking to say the least. Yeah, so they don't have facilities in Spain, it seems like, according to this document. And the order permanently prohibits the HBI and its personnel from making any statements or communication, engaging in any promotions or advertising that states or implies, and then they have just a list. Oh man, so they're not allowed to say any of this stuff anymore? Whoa. So they can't say that they contribute its funds or sales to a charitable entity. Well, they can't say the raw finish because it doesn't exist. The raw organic hemp papers are unrefined. So you can't say that anymore because they are. The raw organic hemp rolling papers are made with natural hemp gum. Whoa. So all these statements they're not allowed to say, so they're not true, or were they false state? Yeah, they can't say it's in Spain anymore. Man, this is definitely left field. I don't think anybody was expecting this whatsoever. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry, I laughed. Josh cannot say that he invented rolling paper pre-roll. Did he say he invented those? That's crazy. There's no way he invented that, right? That's wild. They were used making wind power. Can't say that. Man, that's nuts, dude. I really hope we get the other side, man, because this is nuts, dude. This is absolutely shocking to say the least, I would say. Yeah, man. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm sure a lot of you guys have used raw papers. This is just, I would never have expected this to happen, man. I'm shocked, I'm confused, and I can't wait to hear more. We'll keep you guys updated. If this gave you some info, some informative stuff, hit the like button, hit the subscribe thing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.